Asante sana County Commissioner, viongozi wa Nyamira kutoka Assembly na kutoka Executive. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure to be here today to witness this great milestone that we have achieved as a county. Since the inception of devolution, Nyamira County has opened county road networks totaling 1,560 kilometers. Previously, we have partnered with the Mechanical and Transport Fund, Nairobi, and through issuance of contracts, due to the high cost of road construction and maintenance required to fix the roads network, my administration, the financial year 24-25, decided to invest in equipment to construct our roads, a move that will accelerate improvement of the road network and reduce cost of construction by 50%. Ladies and gentlemen, in this regard, under the county program unit, Barabara Mashinani, we allocated a road development budget of approximately 341 million to cater for the procurement of equipment, land, production, and administration costs. The objective of this program is to construct and maintain the first phase 400 kilometers well-gravelled roads with adequate drainage structures in all wards. Therefore, this means the county government will construct 20 kilometers of roads in every ward, whereby 15 kilometers of the existing roads will be graded and gravelled, and 5 kilometers will be new roads to be opened. The program is planned to be supported with more than 16 assorted machinery and equipment. These include excavators, water graders, rollers, wheel loaders, tippers, and bulldozers. Ladies and gentlemen, lastly, we have put in place a project management team that will oversee the implementation of the program and submit a quarterly report to the county assembly. The program is encouraging efficiency to take 12 months in the medium term. With these few remarks, I now officially declare the Barabara Mashinani program officially launched. Thank you, and may God bless you. Buna nkare, abantu ba Nyamira byamo otoromeleria, ekiare muraya atwete nyinge, chibara iserekete ekaunti ejuma. Naro de abanyama yayoka, kila asaba ndonbe tulo wale. Lakini tuwabele toko lega chikontractor, jikoro chibara chibanera. Ento atumia chiba singinge. Ono, kaikase nga decide. Ngaonetiza ikia tuamu assembly members, wakanjerana, togore chitractor, ekiara aswari wagore chitractor. Chibara chabo chichi yemono. naende egarama y'obukirozi yere nusu asaba contract oruma akore asingi yambiyamama afsaruma kaimukira omwana mune bucket mwasi arregorega mane bibika yote kaya ture na inumalani na we have alternatives igonchi bahari doji koroisia yoji kama kile ward menyore 20 kilometers phase 1 ekiamna to wetara antora akora 2020 tobe koina na entore na nchi atigarete tokoyorera tomende chikiro lakini ase ngendonde nyamaya no to ansere kama mende chikiro mtainye osisana yo komero remba kareki Akamonto ngala kwa na mwe vegana wateno obe eri wogore ebiragita ebikoro ebiragita emojere ebikoro watige karochi mabachura kugana wane magachi mo koleke birangero anyo korara nara chitora lewatao korra kene Dadmo, yoti hato beha mwana tora mwana ba mishini wabande, tuwa tane program yeye, asto wanzera, na asa to wanzera kilase, yoto akutore bindebi, chibe, yamaye okore chipachi chonsi, Naba engineer ko wasiba arba biyone tinobara. Make sure ebiragita byose ko karabire gasuye.